A, B, 1, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 1, 7, 4, 2. Supposing these are the numbers that are given to us, then we will write it like this. Okay, we will write it A equals to curly bracket. Now what is A? A is any alphabet. It is not any particular alphabet only that you have to take. You can take any alphabet. I have taken A, you could take C also. So A equals to comma, curly bracket 1 comma 2 comma. We will see that the number is not, or the element is not written twice.
Right.
The element, it might come 3 times, it might come 4 times, 2 has come 3 times, but I'll write 2 only once. I'll not write it more than once. Okay, the element has to be written only once. एक ही बार लिखना है उसको, एक से ज़्यादा बार नहीं लिखना है, कितनी भी बार आए वो. In the set we will write it only once, same thing. And we'll preferably write it either in the increasing order or in the decreasing order. We will not write it haphazardly, ऐसे आगे पीछे नहीं लिखेंगे. Okay, though that is not wrong, but we will present it in such a way that it is looking good or is easier to understand. Because if I were to write 1, 6, 2, 5, 4, 7, it will become difficult for everybody to understand ki numbers ke. But when I write it like this, I immediately know what are the numbers, easier to see, pleasing to the eyes. Okay, so that is what is expected, that you will write it like this. Is this clear? This is called listing method or rooster method. This is called listing method or rooster method. Okay, you write that elements only once. Now for example, let's say you all write this. B is a set of the alphabets. B is a set of alphabets in the word. B is a set of alphabets in the word, in the word remember. B is a set, so we'll write B. Now you all write the elements in this. Let's see if you all can do this. B is a set of alphabets in the word remember. So let's see what it is. Let's see if you all can do it. Please write. Please write. Write B. Then what are the alphabets in the word remember? That is what you are going to write. Okay, write the words that are there in remember. Affan, R is coming twice. You can't have R twice. Okay, so it will be E, or rather B, E. Of course, you'll write it in small distance. So it will be B, E, M, and R. B, E, M, and R. Now somebody might say, sir, मैंने R पहले लिखा. That is okay. That is okay. Sometimes somebody might write R, E, M, B. That is also okay. Or E, M, B, R. That is okay. But only these 4 alphabets. Only these 4 alphabets are to be considered. ये लिख लो, B is a set. ये भी लिख लो, यहाँ से यहाँ तक लिख लो, so that you understand what is rooster method. Please copy this fast. Then, because the next method is going to be more interesting. Okay, that is what is the interesting part in this chapter. बस इतना ही interesting part है ये chapter में. The next one that is going to be there, rule method or set builder form, that we are going to see later on. पहले ये copy कर लो, और हो गया तो मुझे बता देना. Copy this, and if done, please let me know.
Done.
Done?
Yes, sir, done.
you all have done this. Now let's understand the next method. Of course, we don't have much time, that is okay. We will not be able to finish the entire method, but we'll begin with this and we'll understand how we are going to solve this. Okay, the next method is important. It says rule method or set builder form. This was your first one. The second one is rule method or set builder form. Rule method or set builder form. Now here what happens, here you do not write each of the elements of the set, but you write whatever is the rule. Okay, we write the rule, like how, that I'll explain to you. There has to be something which connects all of these, which connects all of the elements. First of all, for that what we do is we write whatever is the alphabet. Let's say we are taken B, वो remember वाला ही केस करेंगे अपन समझने के लिए. Supposing ये लिखना था हमको. In set builder form, how do we write? First of all, we write B equals to, यहाँ तक ठीक है. फर्स्ट अल्फ़ाबेट लिखना है, बड़ा कैपिटल में रहेगा, कर्ली ब्रैकेट रहेगा. उसके बाद we write it in the general form. Okay, we write it in the form of a general element. We take some variable. Normally we will take it as x, but we can also take it as a. We take it as x, but we can also take it as a or b. Normally we take it as x, not compulsory. Okay, b, and then there will be a vertical line. It's not a slanting line, it's a vertical line like this. Okay, there will be a vertical line x, and then there is a vertical line. Then that is followed by x belongs to, or x is an alphabet. X is an alphabet in the word. X is an alphabet in the word, bracket closed. X is an alphabet in the word. X is an alphabet in the word. Is that clear? X is an alphabet in the word. Remember. Now this is for this. Supposing there is actually another this thing that we'll say, let's say C equals to X such that this straight line is read as such that. The straight line is read as such that. The straight line is read as such that. Okay, straight line is read as such that. So X is a set, C is a set of all X such that X belongs to natural number. X belongs to natural numbers. अच्छा, vertical line की जगह पर कभी कभी colon भी देते हैं. That is also the same. In place of this line, they can also write a colon. In place of this line, they can write a colon. So X belongs to natural numbers such that X lies between 1 and 10. X lies between 1 and 10. X lies between 1 and 10. That means it is a set of numbers. This is basically writing as 2, comma, in my rooster form or listing method, C would be written as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this form, set builder form, the same thing will be written as C is a set of all X such that X belongs to natural numbers and X lies between 1 and 10. Now somebody might ask, सर यहाँ 1 और 10 दिया है, आपने 2 से स्टार्ट किया है. Because X is greater than 1. It is not equal to 1. It is greater than 1. So I cannot have 1. 1 is not greater than 1. Similarly, X is less than 10. x is less than 10, so I cannot have 10. But supposing यहाँ पर ही अगर ऐसा रहता less than equal to, then I would have 10 also. Then I would have 10 also over here. That's the difference. And if it was like this, then there would be 1 also over there. Are we clear? These signs are going to matter. ये बहुत important रहने वाले. This will tell us whether 1 will be there or not there, whether 10 will be there or not there. If equal to का sign है, then it will be there. Equal to का sign नहीं है, it will not be there. Is this clear? We are going to see this in much more detail. We are going to see this in much more detail, okay, because this is the most important part of this chapter, and I believe you all might find this as the only difficult part in this chapter. But if you all will concentrate, if you all will be regular, and if you all will practice, this will not be so difficult for you all. What is required is you all have to practice this at home. ठीक है ना मोइन? You have to practice it at home. Okay, yes, so now we'll end it today. You try doing practice set 1.1 at least in the rooster form. Write the following sets in the rooster form. Those of you who do not have the textbook, I'll send you an image of the exercise. You can copy from that. Okay, just the first part. Then we'll see again when we continue tomorrow. We'll see about the second part, the set builder further. Okay, set builder form we are going to see further. That's all for today. We'll meet again tomorrow. Take care. Okay, chalo. Anything not understood till here now, please ask. किसी को कोई doubt?
No, sir.
Good.
No, sir.
Again, sorry. Anybody has any doubts?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So we'll meet again tomorrow. You will have your first class science. Second will be our maths class again. We'll continue with this. Take care. Bye.
Yes.